Hey there everyone, this is Raocow playing Super Challenge World number 7, Mystery Castle. It's the castle of mystery. You see, we were in a dark place, suddenly there's a sky and bushes. OMG. Oh my god, I am so totally flabbergasted. What? Hey, what? Oh, what? How is this possible? The platform does not match the scrolling, but it's a real platform? How did it... Holy shit, how did he do that? This is pretty freaking amazing. There's a trampoline there. Saw avalanche out of freaking nowhere. Whoa, this is awesome. Man, wow, I have no idea how the guy did that. Maybe he no. I guess I don't know enough about advanced Super Mario World Hackerina of Time. What the hell am I? Whoa! Man, the weird scrolling is really mucking up my timing. And how the Jumanji am I supposed to do that like this? That is a spike. You must not hit the spike, or else the spike will hit you, and that is not a desired outcome. Let's see if I can make it up there somehow. Whoa! There's a little box, and it's just a mushroom. Man. Let's try to not lose my mushroom now. Okie dokie. Still gonna bring along my trampoline as soon as I can. Oh. Whoa, that was close. Okay, now we're entering into the bowels of the castle. I don't believe I went to check in this hole. There's nothing. There's nothing. There's nothing. Trust me on that, guys. I've checked, and there's just a whole pile of hurt. Ah, poopers. Ooh. How? This... No, I need to be big. How the hell am I supposed to do that? Oh boy. I need more speed to slide. More momentum, Mario. Oh, for the love of God. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Will I have more momentum if I... Because I need to be big to be able to crush those things, so... Because there doesn't seem to be any alternate passage. Come on now, be nice. Well, I guess I'm gonna restart and actually try and... Is there another power-up in the level? I hope so. Man, this is kind of unexpected. Okay, I'm gonna try and figure out if that roto-scrolling...
That thing there has... Well. But how the hell am I supposed to do this then? How the hell am I supposed to do this then? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty clear. I need this thing. Freaking Flint, turn away. Move out of the way, Flint. Those are saws, there's paste, not on like radishes, so avoid if you can. That's a spike you don't touch, because if you touch a spike you get cooties. Okay. For the love of God, come on now, come on, play nice. Yeah. Oh. Man, that trampoline bounces high. Okay, so you're giving me a mushroom here because I need it to break those blocks. Now, the question being, how do I get that exactly? But there's... What? Whoa. Slide in. This is annoying. Yeah, no, don't fly off like that. Okay. Maybe. almost. Okay, come on, Mario. Come on, Mario. I know you're fat and big and ugly, nobody likes you, but God damn it, you're gonna make it. Oh, wow, we get to do this part twice, too, now. Ain't I lucky. Come on, freaking... I don't know. Well, it'd be nice if I could have trouble at the exact part where I'm having trouble instead of the jump before him. Oh, boogers. Come on now. Almost. No, almost is not enough. Almost is not enough, but it must be. Then there's something. Come on, you're almost there, damn it. Why are you doing this to me? Is there like something magical I'm missing something or something, maybe? I don't think so. You're practically there. Ah, finally. Or at least it's good to know that I was actually doing the right thing. No. Yes! God. Oh, well. I'm gonna get hit anyway. Wow, this is awkward. Quick. Oh, for the love of God. What the hell is going on here?
Man, this is not healthy. Okay. Now there's a big old pink maze that's interesting, to say the least. Wow, this is like the world's most extreme game of Plinko. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. This is insane. Man, it's super hard to jump on these things because half the time he wants to run up the wall, even though there's no walls. Doesn't mean they look like big old giant cough drops. This is Cough Drop Mountain. Kind of explains a few things when you really think about it. Cough drops is the bane of modern society. We should, like, kind of ban everything for no reason. That would sure help everything. Okay, nothing there. This is another... what I tend to call Metroid jump in honor of that one annoying place in the original Metroid and I just hate and I wish never existed because it pretty much denies everything that fun is supposed to stand for. It's kind of a long-winded name there, but that little thwomp is stuck there and it's funny because he's stuck there and he can't move and he's gonna die. Nothing down there. Hey there, put a bow. How's it hanging? Hey there, put a bow. How's it hanging, too? Okay. Okay. Man, this is one weird place. What? So I was supposed to bring my springboard there. Hey guys, remember when in the first video I was saying the game was pretty much big long string of kicking the pants? Chipmunk time.
Okay. Yeah, there's no way in... now I can restart everything. There's no way in hell that... I had to rewind to go far enough to go back all the way to where I left my trampoline because I thought that was where we were supposed to do the trampoline. That freaking trampoline, it causes everyone some grief. It's a grief. The camp should be banned. Whoa, that was one lucky gamble. By gamble, I don't really mean anything in particular. Do not gamble, kids. It's bad for karma. And it's against the Bible or something. I don't know. I survived, but I died some other time and space and place. And aprons. Aprons are the future. Buy apron socks. Buy apron socks. Or suffer the dire consequences of your foolishness. Oh boy, I gotta restart this part. Alright, I was looking forward to this. Oh lordy. Yeah, come on Mario. Do not betray my faith and trust in Anchovy Collection, because I don't think my heart would be able to take it. Oh no, Mario. The princess is probably not in this castle, but you should still try. Try, damn it. Try. I'm some kind of melting pirate. If I was a better comedian, I'd probably try to find a pun of combining liquids and pirates, but it's not happening. How'd I do it last time? It's pretty much that, but it worked. That's the important difference here. You're practically there! What the hell's your problem? Why must your ankles be so strong and supple? Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, this is fun. Come on now, stop being... Come on now, stop being a bitch. Come on now, stop being a bitch. Oh, brr. Yeah. You might be there. No. Finally, God. Nice. Yeah, trampoline's not the most practical of devices. Oh, well, actually it doesn't really matter because I want to be small, so... Freaking Mario face maps. Why do you make it so hard for me to love you? Oh, fine. Okay, now I need to hang on tight. Oops, hang on tight. Not that kind of tight, though. Don't stop being a pervert. So the trick, whoa, there's a random free life. So the trick to these things is not to press any arrows while down. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh BYOW. I'm not sure what that stands for. Well, actually I do know where not a lot of tokens going. Whoa, 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 and whoa-ho. Yeah, that's right. I guess I'm gonna take on the chipmunk right after I'm done with the Metroid jump part. Because, God knows I don't want to make you there another long, excruciating jump up this birth canal, Venus, Leprechaun. So I'm not sure if by now I've removed the chipmunk or not, but should be pretty sure. Oh no, I was supposed to be there. Oh no, I was even less practically there, but kind of there still. Now if I haven't removed the chipmunk by now...
You're missing out. Oh. 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 This is kind of more tricky than it looks like. Okay. Okay, mate. I guess we're... Friggin' branches that are there to ruin my life and nothing else. There's the sneaky type of benchmark. There's mysterious door filled with gold doubloons and caves and yellow stuff. And there's the key. No, there's a keyhole. There's a door. There's a yellow block that probably has to do with something. And there's a dancing yellow block there that probably has to do... There's a key. What the hell? Whoa there, Sonny. Ugh. But that doesn't... No messages. How far does... And can I go anywhere there? Damn it! Now, of course, the fun part is here that I don't know if I'm actually missing out on anything. Like, is there anything that I want in there? Maybe I need to go here with a pipe or something. Not sure how that would help, though. If I play around with L and R, does it change anything? Hard to tell. Nope, farting doesn't seem to change much. Ugh. But I'm not sure what I would gain from doing this, actually. Guess I'm gonna return here with a cape to see if there's anything juicy there. And we'll take it from there. Not really sure what this... Whoa! I don't like where this is going. This is the Hall of Mirrors, starring Magic Koopa, the wizard guy, and Ice and Spikes, and everything nice. The Powerpuff Girls. Oh, I need your help, guy. Oh. Well, that is not helping, guy. That's shooting me with magic. And I don't believe in magic. I do not. Oh no, I went there. I freaking went there, guy. And I'm not afraid to return. Finally, thanks. Thanks, dude. But I still don't believe in magic, so, nope, you won't drag me alive and screaming to McDonald's. Only the proletariat goes to the McDonald's, God. Who would willingly go there? Except people who are too poor to know that food is supposed to be ingested in the friggin' mouth and not in the ears. That is a common... question the Surgeon General has to answer, because some people just don't try. They just don't. They sit there and go, yup, I'm gonna let the Surgeon General eat my food in my stead. And that's how you get health problems. How do you think health problems were invented in the first place. It wasn't invented on purpose, I'll tell you what. God. Only a fool would invent health problems on purpose. Although now that I think about it, is humanity foolish enough to do so? I'm afraid the answer is a resounding maybe. Oh, not cool, guy, not cool. How hard is it to aim freaking there? How did I make it last time? There! Well, that's close enough. Why did I want this anyways? I don't know! Oh, I don't want an old man hug. Okay, I can sort of weasel my way out of things by doing a whole bunch of things that I'm not going to be proud of in the morning. Let's run! Let's not. Let's not yet. Let's not yet. Do not ask questions, guy. Oh, for the love of nachos. Oh yeah. I love nachos more than I love God. What did God ever do to me? Yeah, so this is not a good sign. This is not a good sign. That is the Not Good Sign song written by the Bee Gees back in the 50s. Yeah, I don't think it's any wonder that I never really caught on. Oh, love God, come on now. Stop being such a chore. Thank you very much, Mr. P. Block. It is mucho appreciated. Red. Why 92 P blocks? Answer me that, please. That is the single most awesome thing ever. Oh man. Okay, so what did I just do? What the? Okay. So, wow, these are not real spikes. Good luck figuring that out. Although I just did. And it's the Rolling Head Mountain Place area with the guys kind of hunting blocks, and it's pretty freaking awesome, even though it's just a freaking basic palette swap. And that guy is stuck, and it's hilarious. You're stuck, and you're gonna die of starvation, even if you'd eat food, it would probably not exactly go to any stomach, now would it? Man, this is such a dick move. Oh no! Oh no, it's gonna be a boss! It's freaking Larry, and he's doing the exact same... He didn't even change the fireballs. Yes, Mario. Bring down your cap in shame. Although I'm still kind of horribly confused about where I'm meant to go to for the key things. The final egg of power is now safe in Mario's hands. With the help of Yoshi, he made it through the passage of mystery. Really? Okay. Now they must brave the dangers of Bowser's domain. Ellipses. Well, I guess those are good ellipses, I guess. Maybe. And the path is going forward into Bowser's domain, but not quite yet. I'm gonna put things on pause. I'm gonna try to go back to the room with the keyhole and the key and see what we can do from there, alright? So I'll join you back then, and you don't need to re-see everything. And yeah, see you pretty soon, I guess. Well, just gonna put this on pause here, and I'm just gonna put this on pause here. Just gonna put this on pause here. Okay, everyone, I'm back here. Now, usually there's the midpoint here that makes you grow. But I'll try and see if it's any easier if you're small. Because if you're small, you're smaller. Because then I can go in these things. Well, there appears to be a bridge made out of stuff. There's a start. Friggin' yeah. Oh, who the hell left their ribcage right here? Well, that's kind of big bones for ribs, but I don't know. Maybe it's in Texas or something. Oh, your stereotypes. Those are hilarious. No wonder they're still popular in popular humor. Come on, friggin' burger. Okay. No, this doesn't help me for here. Now, does it? How am I supposed to get it? The block pushed it off. Now that is awesome. And totally accidental. What the hell kind of nonsense is this? Well, wow, the useful path and I have opened here. Well, I guess that's gonna be it for World 7. That wasn't so bad. Sarcasm. So I'm gonna off-screen myself all the way to the Star World, and I'll see you then. Because of the popular vote and all that, you know how democracy works. It doesn't.